Day 4 of me using this kaleidoscope stuff, and you know, they say you'll start seeing results in like in those 2 weeks, I say.
So much to see with me and my family. We've had our ups and downs. Can nothing stop us now? 'Cause we stay strong. The world can separate us. It's amazing we're blessed to be this beautiful family. This beautiful family.
Good morning, Templeton fam. It's your girl Nikki here, back with another video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you go over and hit the subscribe button. Join the family. Also, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you will get alerts on when I post another video, guys. So in today's video, guys, I'm just doing a get ready with me vlog. Just everything that I do in the morning. Basically, I've already dropped the LiQWYD off this morning. I came back home. I did hop in the bed just because I was still tired, but now I'm ready to get up, get dressed, do my hair, shower. Most time when I'm not doing anything or like going anywhere, I still every now and then just get myself, you know, together. First thing first, I'm gonna go shower, okay? And then right after, I will turn the camera back on and yeah, get right back with y'all. So I just got out the shower, guys, and now I'm about to use this facial cleaning stuff to clean my face. Most time, guys, I just use like a warm rag because I noticed like using other products, my skin breaks out really bad. I get like all these little pimples and stuff. And so I've been just using just warm water for my face. And if not that, I'll just use this stuff. So I'm about to apply this on my face. So let me go ahead and just put this on my face. So first I'm just gonna use warm water. The skin feels so good after doing this. It's so clean. So you can't really see much of the stuff. You can't really see it, but it's there. Okay. Let's put a little bit on my face. It's really, really good. Okay, whew. Y'all, this feels so good. I swear, when you clean your face, oh my God, you feel like a brand new person. Oh, my skin is rejuvenated. I feel good. So now, I can apply my makeup and stuff. So I blended my makeup in, y'all. Sometimes my eyebrows will be like off a little bit. So what I do is I just go back and, you know, correct it or whatever. So that's my, so this is day 4 of me using this kaleidoscope stuff. And, you know, they say you'll start seeing results in like, in those 2 weeks, I say. So I'm still hoping, y'all, that this is gonna be it. They say I apply 3 to 5 times, not a day, my bad, 3 to 5 times a week. So I put some in Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I don't know if I'm going to skip today. You know what? I'm going to put some on today and then skip 2 days. So you just apply it in your scalp. I usually like part it, but it's okay. And then you massage the scalp. Heard of people seeing the results right at 2 weeks. On Friday we'll make it a week, but I'm hoping, you know, by 2 weeks I start to see a little improvement, which I believe so, guys. This is it. Oh, it feels so good massaging my scalp. I need to do it more often. Yeah. So just rub that in. Yeah, I already have a lot of hair. My hair is naturally thick, as you guys can see. And so I'm just gonna brush it and put it in a ponytail. Alrighty. So now, just put this in a ponytail. I get a little bit of moisturizer. Then brush it back. Get our hair bow just tied up. Put it in a little bowl in the back. So yeah, I know I tell you guys that I have bought 2 ponytail pieces, and maybe I should try the other one. And I just like to put it like this, y'all, because this is, you know, some protective style. And so that it's great to have your hair, you know, just put up out of the way. You don't have to keep messing with it. Just the second one, guys. I'm so soft. Alrighty. So we're gonna put the ponytail piece on. And this is how it looks, guys. And it has the comb on the inside, y'all, so you have one on top, one on the bottom, and it's a drawstring. So just put it in, pull that string, and it's intact. This thing should be going nowhere. All right. Okay, guys, so here's the string. And I usually like wrap it, but I also don't want the string to be shown. So you know what? Hold on. I don't want it to be shown. So what I do here, I'm just gonna fold it, and then I would get a hairpin and just pin it down in the back. Cause girl, you can't be like these. All right, so I use my edge tamer and just lay down the edges, y'all. So let me just put some right here, and then I'm gonna brush it back. And just brush this back. I'm trying not to put the ponytail too tight, because I know just yesterday, y'all, my head was hurting. I had the ponytail tight. So let me just kind of like be easy on my hair. Okay. So now I just need to lay down the edges. Let's go, y'all. I done agree. Trying to use the bathroom in here. Why are you trying to use my... Alright, 1 second, y'all. Okay, so I'm just tying this down for a few seconds just to lay down my edges, y'all. Just want to make sure it's laid. I think this piece is cute. Alright, let's take this off. That's that. Okay, guys. Let's see. Before I put my clothes on, I need to put on some of this body oil. Y'all, this body oil smells good. Y'all, because my skin be so dry. And so putting this body oil, it keeps my skin moist all day. All day. And it smells amazing. Kaale, you know, let's go. Oh my gosh, you see it? I be looking all oily, but it smells great. Oh my God, y'all, please go get some of this at Walmart. It's only like $3 at Walmart. Well, I think it's like $3.98. You know what? Just it's $4 at Walmart. Body oil gel. It smells good. All right, let me get my clothes, guys. Okay, y'all, so I am all dressed. I am in the guest bathroom. Alyssa is taking her bath, y'all. Let me turn the camera around. I love this bathroom as well, y'all. It's so much room. All right, let's. Oop. This ponytail piece look good. Let's go, y'all. So I'm gonna let Alyssa take her bath.
Mommy.
Yes.
Do you know what the mermaid party is?
The mermaid one? Yeah, it's down here. I'll let Alyssa take her bath. And here you go. So let's walk in here. And I need to find me something to snack on, I guess, because I'm hungry. So I think I'm about to eat some leftovers. How many of y'all like leftovers? Y'all. This is from Domino's. So it is 12:46. In a little while, I have to pick Olivia from school. But your girl's about to groove. Okay.